What you see here are the GST 14.4 VLI Professional and GST 18 VLI Professional cordless jigsaws. They're the most compact professional cordless jigsaws. Thanks to their short length and low weight, the GST 14.4 VLI Professional and the GST 18 VLI Professional always guarantee perfect handling and maneuverability in curves, even in tight spaces. Both jigsaws are powerful and therefore enable fast sawing progress. What's more, they also provide a long battery runtime. The electronic motor protection, EMP, protects the motor against overload, therefore ensuring a longer lifetime. The saw blade can be ejected with a click, and you can insert the new saw blade quickly and easily with only one hand. You can instantly switch from full pendulum action for quick cuts to zero pendulum action. This enables fine, tear-free cuts. The built-in LED and the dust-blowing function give you a perfect view of the cutting line at all times. The adjustable sole plates enable miter cuts up to 45 degrees. Experience for yourself the most compact 14.4 and 18-volt professional cordless jigsaws, the GST 14.4 VLI Professional and the even more powerful GST 18 VLI Professional. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.